Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. This particular category is a family balcony. Now I'm going to take you through the space here in just a minute and point out what makes this particular one so special, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com or reach out to your HarTravel advisor. We know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the room. Now when you walk in the room, I did want to point out that this does adjoin to the owner's suite. So you've got that on this side. You can purchase that if you want to have a lockout. And then another really interesting feature is it also connects to a club balcony suite. So you can really turn it into a 3-bedroom complex. Now, I'm going to step into the bathroom here. This is the same bathroom you'll find with all the balconies on board. You've got a little bit of storage here on the vanity, storage up and down, and then the toilet tucked just behind. Your hair dryer's on the wall there, and I'll step into the shower. It's not a huge shower. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'6". I actually can fit in here, though I wish it was a shower door instead of a shower curtain. You can adjust up and down with the shower wand. You've got your clothesline that pulls out, and then right here you're going to find your bath amenities. Now as we head into the room, you've got your storage here on the side. There's quite a bit of it with the hanging storage across, shelves that go all the way back. You'll find your safe, perfect size for a passport or a wallet, and then a little bit of storage up above. You've got storage tucked in the corner over here, and then you're going to find the bed is together in a large configuration. It can also separate into 2 twins if that's your preference, and in that case the side tables would move to the middle to give you a little more separation. I love that the lights have USB chargers underneath them so you can charge your device, and there's plenty of storage underneath to tuck your things away, including those big bags. You've got a full couch here that can fold out to additional berths if you'd like to utilize it for that. And then directly across, you're going to find your coffee table and your flat panel TV. Now it's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television, and you can angle it at the couch or at the bed based on your preference. You've got a bit of storage up above, your mini fridge underneath, and then you're going to have your writing desk here where you'll find a Euro plug and 2 US plugs. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters to take advantage of all the plugs in the room. A little bit more storage on the side here, and then the mirror is backlit so you can utilize it to get ready. Now what's exceptional about this particular room is the balcony. Let's head on out and see what that's all about. So now we're out on your private balcony. You see you've got 2 chairs and a table here, extra comfy where you can sit, have a cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening. But what it's really about is that fresh ocean air and the incredible ever-changing scenery. We're at the very front of the ship, right above the bridge, so you get the same view as the captain. And as we sail up to Alaska here in the coming hours, the view's going to change constantly and it's going to be incredible. Now when you're ready to book this room, or if you want to book the configuration adjoining the club balcony suite, this and the owner's suite together, make sure you reach out to HarTravel. We are your suite experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.